Everything right there. This whatever. Put everything right there. Down right here in front of the judge. Hands out of your pocket.
So Jones, what time does court start?
What was that, sir?
What time does court start?
It starts at, I believe, at 8:30, Your Honor. I deal with the mental MH
Try
Mara.
to get here on time.
I will.
Not only that, this is now your second PR bond.
Yes, sir.
If you fail to appear one more time, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? We don't continue to give PR bond after PR bond after PR bond after PR bond. We don't do that.
Absolutely.
Okay. You're charged with theft,
Yes, sir.
facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Absolutely.
On February 11th, 2025, at approximately 4:48 p.m., an officer met with the complainant, who is the supervisor for a roofing company. The complainant stated the defendant is a friend and had been working with the company for about a week. The complainant stated that on February 11th at 8 a.m., the defendant was supposed to be at a job but never showed. The complainant called the defendant, and the defendant stated he was at the hospital but would not give the complainant the location of where he was at currently. The defendant eventually met up with the complainant to give him the keys to the company vehicle, and the defendant's employment was terminated. The complainant pulled over and did an inventory search of the vehicle and noticed tools and equipment went missing. The complainant called the defendant and asked where the tools and equipment were, and the defendant stated he removed them so his girlfriend would not take them. The complainant called the defendant multiple times to get the tools, but the defendant blocked his calls and did not answer. The total value stolen was $2,000. The complainant stated 6 hours passed attempting to contact the defendant, and the officer tried to contact the defendant, and the defendant did not answer. The officer ran the defendant's information given by the complainant, and the complainant positively identified him by a photograph.
Mr. Jones, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand?
I do not, because I don't know who the witness is. What is their name?
Person that you were working for at the construction company that gave you the car.
What was their name, Honor, please?
Tristan Weathers.
Tristan Weathers. Well, on my paperwork, it says Tristan Sanders. I don't know who Tristan Sanders is. So Tristan Weathers and Tristan Sanders are two different people.
I'll file it under bond conditions as Tristan Weathers. I'm not sure. I can look. See if there's already.
I will show the paper. Oh,
Nothing on your
paperwork.
pocket, sir.
Yes, sir. This is paperwork. Say his name
When
on
the
it.
judge requests it, nothing comes out.
It does say Tristan Sanders on the,
It says Tristan Weather here on the complaint.
okay, yes, and I believe that is his name, but on the bond conditions, it's stated as Tristan Sanders.
I don't want you to have contact with this person. Do you understand?
Tristan Sanders, Your Honor, or Tristan Weathers?
Weathers.
It said Tristan Sanders on the thing, so I'm
I'm
confused.
telling you now, I don't want you to have contact with the complaining witness in this case, whoever it may be.
No problem. He's on parole for 60 years. I don't even want to go around the guy. Yes, sir. But on the paperwork, it says Tristan Sanders, and they have that property. But my lawyer, Val Zubini, is going to talk to you or talk to you, represent me. It's just so much stuff, and I'm dealing with. I suffer PTSD PTSD, and I'm hyper. So I'm just trying to take in all the emotions. I'm not mad at you, Your Honor. I apologize for being late to court. I was in the Navy, and I've been in the penitentiary. So I duly apologize.
Relax.
Yes, sir.
No one's going to do anything to you here.
Yes, sir.
The only thing I want is I want my city protected.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect it. I want you to understand that. Do not pick up any new cases.
Yes, sir.
Be nice to everybody that you go around.
Absolutely.
Because if you're not, it's probably not going to go well. Exercise patience and
Absolutely.
things will go well for you.
Absolutely. It has. Thank you.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, or would you like to apply for a court-appointed lawyer?
As of right now, you can give me a court appointed, but I'm going to hire Val Zubini. But Val, I just, due to the simple fact, I'm trying to get protective water. That's why I was late last time, because my fiance.
Just don't talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, they're going to use it against you. So it's best not.
That's
I'll
cool.
provide you a lawyer today.
It's true.
Tell everything that you want to say to the lawyer, and then they can come and talk to me if they need.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay? Just don't miss any court dates
Yes, Your Honor.
and stay in contact with the lawyer that we give you.
I have a question though. So the last time I came, I was my fiance.
You haven't come here.
Yeah,
This is the first time that you've come here.
correct. I'm incorrect. I came the last time at 12:30 because my ex-fiance had my cell phone. I talked to one of the ladies in the back, and I talked to her.
Hold on, Mr. Jones. I don't want you to say anything else. Let me give you a lawyer.
This is my second. I don't want you to know this is my second time coming. I came to court. I just came late.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah, I know.
Let me give you a lawyer. Just hang tight for me, be patient, and then we'll find you someone, okay?
No problem. Thank you, sir.
Don't leave until you sign our bond conditions.
I'm not going anywhere, sir.
Your stuff.
Thanks.
Good for me.
Not yet. We need them to file. Oh, I already have them. I got them.
I talked to you last time.
Sign right here.
This is what I talked to right here.
We just need you to sign a reset real quick. You're good?
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, please.
Come back.
Wants to be here.
So, Mr. Jones,
Yes, sir.
I've given you a lawyer,
I thank
okay?
you.
So I usually waive people's appearances, meaning that you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you have to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're not answering his phone calls or text messages, I'm going to issue a warrant. All I'm asking you to do, don't get in trouble and stay in contact with him. That's literally all I'm asking you to do. Don't get in any trouble.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're good. He can't leave yet because he has to sign bond conditions. As soon as he signs it, then we'll let you go. Okay, they're creating bond conditions. So you promise us that you're going to behave. We'll have you sign it. And then after that, you'll be free to
I'm
go.
not a better version of you, Honor. It's just looking at the damn paper. I changed my life.
I got you, man. We'll trust you.
I've been
While you're out and about with us now,
doing a lot for the community.
just stay in contact with him. Okay?
Give me my number once we're done, okay?
Can I tell you something though? I actually was on the news last year with Kim Judge Nimmy. They did a story on me in Channel 2 News. I was on the news. They used my story for the company I work for change for mental health.
That's great.
And I was on the story for Kim and Judge Nimmy and Chronicle. So I've made a bunch of changes. This is a mistake, and I just get so emotional when it comes to me. But I apologize.
Don't, because remember, they can use anything that you say.
I got you.
Just,
I got you. No problem.
Let me look at everything.
No problem.
We'll figure everything out, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
Judge.
all right, so take a seat, but don't leave until we let you go.
Don't even-
All right, have a seat.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. Good morning, Mr. Edwards. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 6 days in jail, credit for the 2 that you've done. You need to understand that this charge is going to go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You get pulled over, an officer's going to look at your record. You smell like alcohol or dope. What do you think they're going to do? Right. What we're doing today, from now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for anything that you pick up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. So if I were you, even if you have one toke, a sip of alcohol, don't get into a car. It's a huge risk. You understand?
Sir.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses, testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never take this off or undo this. This is what you want to do.
Sir.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I'm going to find you guilty. Follow the agreement. What do you do for a living, sir?
I'm actually disabled. Disabled. I.
What's the nature of your disability?
I was with,
Okay.
side
What's the
job.
disability?
So
What's your disability?
my health issues,
What kind of income do you have coming in?
that, SSI.
You need to understand that DUI is big business. There's a $3,000 surcharge that would normally apply to this. I a lot of times waive it on first offenses because you know what? We all make mistakes. But I'm going to tell you now, if you continue to make mistakes where you endanger my city, A second DWI, it's a $6,000 surcharge. And you don't pay it, you do 1 day in jail for every $100 you owe. So on a $6,000 to $7,000, imagine how much jail time you'll do. Don't pick up another DWI because it's really not going to go well for you. You understand?
So
All right. Good luck. Oh, I'm going to suspend your license for 90 days.
Judge, you had an ALR suspension for 3 months. It just got reinstated on the 16th. Is there any way we could get?
Let me see. Does he have any bond violation, anything like that?
No, there was no bond.
He's behaved good?
Edward.
Edwards? No bond violations or anything?
No, Judge, none that I see.
All right, I'll do it for you. Don't pick up another one. I'm telling you, 90-day minimum and a $6,500 surcharge. You understand? Okay, man. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.
Wait, DPS, the rent subject?
Down your side. Catherine Herrera? Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand something very important, that this charge will now go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. It's even there after you die. If you get pulled over in a car, an officer's going to look this, they're going to see this. If they come up to you and they smell alcohol or dope, it's probably not going to go well for you. And what we're doing today, from now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. Do you understand? You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers, the right to be arraigned, charged, read in open court. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty to this offense, ma'am, it will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life, like I said. Is this a true first?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. No PTI.
No, Judge.
Okay. How do you plead to the office, ma'am? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I have to suspend your license. I will suspend it for 90 days. Ma'am, there's also one more thing you need to understand, that DWI is big business in this state. There's a $3,000 surcharge that would normally apply here. I'm not going to tack on to you now, but if you come up here with another DWI, a second DWI, it's a $6,000 surcharge. And if you don't pay it every day, or I'm sorry, every $100 you owe, you will sit 1 day in jail of that $6,000. Do you understand? Don't come back. Otherwise, it's a minimum 30 days in jail and then a boatload of costs. Good luck to you, man. Thanks. Since 2023, you have picked up a disorderly conduct of discharging a firearm, felony assault, burglary by habitation, and now a failure to ID. No, I'm not going to accept. You need to understand that I, as the judge here, do not have to accept a plea bargain agreement in this case, and I'm not going to. I will not accept the time served, and I'm ready to set this thing for trial. You're looking at, a year on the disorderly conduct, and I think it's unacceptable with all this and his lengthy criminal history. It's unacceptable to do. So I'm ready.
I believe the disorderly conduct is Class B.
Yeah, it is charged as a B. Regardless, I mean, I'm not ready to accept the time served on these cases, not with this criminal history and not while he has picked up all these cases, 3 felonies while on
What
bond.
would you accept?
I don't know, but something significant. It's just too much, Mr. Portillo, and you're not getting it. And it's time.
He
So
does have 22 days credit.
that's,
I'm just trying to find out
I understand,
what you.
but I'm ready to, I'm ready to set this thing. Yeah. All right. So
What? So would you accept anything?
I don't know. I don't know.
I mean, I would say I don't believe the state's spoken to their witness on the Class B disorderly conduct case. So
cases,
I understand.
100 and something days.
I understand, Your Honor.
That.
And I know you just got in here, Blaze, so
And with that, felony. It's complainants,
same complainant as the felony assaults?
sure.
Yeah, nothing under 180 and unacceptable. No. So we do that or I'm sending it for trial.
So 180 days. Okay.
Or yeah, 180. I mean, we have a disorderly conduct now, 2 felony assaults, a burglary have, and he's a fugitive from justice on the failure date. No,
Would
it's
you
unacceptable.
A probation or would, I'm
I'm
not saying, I'm just trying to ask. So no.
I don't think the state would be willing to offer probation.
And
Okay, all right.
not with this kind of baggage. No.
Okay. Okay.
So you guys decide what you want to do and let me know. And then we
So it'd
can,
be 180 days minimum.
I'm not, it's just way too much baggage. No, it's time to,
Well, I just want to know just if we should even try to negotiate because I don't want to do that and then.
I mean, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that if that's what you guys
So-
want to do. Otherwise,
Anything 180 days, if you please to want to dismiss one.
I'm okay. If you want to do that, sure.
I'm not saying we're going to take that. I just want to know.
I get it.
Okay.
I get it.
If we,
Let me
if
know.
I could have 5 minutes with my client and then we'll.
Come, Mr. Elick, come on.
I know, I'm just.
Take your time.
Thank you. Okay.